What if I told you that 5 simple science-backed habits could drastically increase your chances of achieving your goals? In this video, I'll share these powerful strategies and how you can apply them right away to make your dreams a reality. Let's dive in. Strategy 1. Write down your goals. It sounds simple, but writing down your goals makes you 42% more likely to achieve them, according to a study from the Dominican University. Why does this work? Writing crystallizes your goals and keeps them top of mind. You don't need anything fancy, just a notebook, a Google Doc, or even your phone. Here's a quick challenge. Pause this video and write down 3 goals you want to achieve this quarter. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Strategy 2. Review your goals regularly. Setting goals is step 1, but the real magic happens when you review them consistently. This taps into your brain's reticular activating system, RAS, a filter that helps you focus on what matters most. For example, ever notice how, when you're interested in a specific car, you suddenly see it everywhere? That's your RAS in action. Take 10 seconds every week to glance at your goals. You'll stay on track and make intentional progress without getting overwhelmed. Strategy 3. Monitor your progress. Tracking progress turns abstract goals into actionable milestones. Studies show that people who monitor their progress are far more likely to succeed. Here's how I do it. I review my goals weekly and label them as on track, off track, or needs attention. You can use apps, journals, or simple checklists. The key is to make it visual and rewarding, like leveling up in a video game. Strategy 4. Use mental contrasting. Visualization is powerful, but here's the twist. Don't just imagine success, also anticipate obstacles. This technique, called mental contrasting, helps you prepare for challenges and create a plan to overcome them. Use the WHOOP method. Wish, what's your goal? Outcome, what does success look like? Obstacle, what might stand in your way? Plan, how will you overcome it? By preparing for setbacks, you'll stay resilient and focused. Strategy 5. Tie goals to your identity. Instead of saying, I want to exercise, try, I am a healthy person. Research shows that aligning goals with your identity makes you more likely to stick with them. For example, when I started identifying as a YouTuber, I found it easier to stay consistent with my content. The same applies to any goal. Tie it to who you are, not just what you do. These 5 strategies are simple, science-backed, and easy to apply. Write your goals, review them, track progress, anticipate obstacles, and align them with your identity. Want to go even deeper? Check out my video on avoiding goal-setting mistakes like taking on too much at once. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.